Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to explain you Computer Science SSC Part 1 Year 2019 question paper. Section B 27 marks. Question number 2 answer any 9 parts. First question is compare first and third generations of computer. First generations start from 1940 to 1956. First generation computer used vacuum tubes, speed was slow and memory was very small. They were huge in size, taking up entire room. Third generations start from 1963 to 1971. Third generation computer use IC chips. Computer consume less electricity. These computers could run different application program at the same time. Question number 2. Briefly describe the Napier bone. John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, invented a calculating device called Napier bone in 1614. It consisted of a wooden box containing a rotating cylinder, each of which had the digits from 0 to 9. It could multiply, divide, and find the square root of number by using simple addition and subtraction. His biggest achievement was the invention of logarithm. Question number 3. Give any 3 objectives of operating system. Number 1. It makes the computer more convenient to use. Number 2. It allows computer resources such as CPU, memory, input-output devices, and internet to be used in an efficient manner. Number 3. It can be viewed as a resource manager. Question number 4. What is meant by managing data and why is it important? Managing data means storing file in secondary storage devices such as hard disk or USB flash drive in an organized way. This helps in finding files easily and quickly. Files are stored in folder. The document folder in Windows is the default folder where the user saves files. File management tools of GUI operating system provide facilities to quickly and easily create folder and copy or move files into them. It also allows the user to delete files and folders that are not needed anymore. Question number 5. Briefly describe time-sharing operating system. Time-sharing is a feature of operating system in which multiple users can run different programs on a large-scale computer. It allows many users to have access to a computer at the same time and share the computer's time. In a time-sharing system, the central processing unit is switched rapidly between the programs so that all the user programs are executed simultaneously. The operating systems used in many computer and mainframe computers support time sharing. Time sharing operating systems are used in organizations such as airline, bank, hotels, universities, etc., where many users need access to the central computer at the same time. Question number 6. Name any 3 areas of application of MS Excel. Answer. User can create many types of documents such as letters, reports, resumes, and newsletters, etc. Question number 7. Why are header and footer important in a Word document? Header and footer. Header refer to information that appear at the top of page. Footer refer to information that appear at the bottom of page. Importance of header and footer. The type of information that may appear in the header and footer includes book title, document title, chapter and title, etc. Question number 8. Differentiate between attenuation and distortion. Attenuation is a fall of signal strength with the distance as signal travel through the communication media. If the attenuation is too much, the receiver may not be able to detect signal at all. Distortion. Distortion refers to change in shape or frequency of digital signal when it is transmitted over a communication line. Communication line delays the signal frequency by a different amount because different frequency components travel at different speed. Therefore, various frequency components of a signal are received at different delays. This causes distortion in digital signals. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth describes the overall data transmission capacity of a medium or channel. It represents the amount of data that passes through a network connection per unit of time. Bandwidth is also measured in bit per second like data rate. Question number 10. What is meant by data transmission? Data transmission means sending information from one place to other using computer network and data communication system. In computer technology, it means sending a stream of bits or bytes from one place to another using copper wire, fiber optics, satellite communication, etc. Question number 11. Differentiate between server and client computer. Server. A server is a main computer in a network which is used to manage network resources and facilitate other computer. Client computer in a network that access services made available by each server. In a client server network, each computer on the network acts as either a server or a client. Servers are not used as client computer and client computers are not used as server. Question number 12. What is meant by information privacy? Information privacy to an individual's right to the privacy of personal information in modern information age. People are concerned that computer may be taking away their privacy. The Data Protection Act protects the right of the individual against information should not allow unauthorized people to have access to information or disclose it to anyone outside the organization. Question number 13. Differentiate between authentication and authorization. Authentication means identifying a person based on a method such as username and password, personal identification number, PIN, access card, or biometric. It verifies who the person is. Authorization means to give someone permission to do something. For example, when a user wants to log in to his email account, he is asked to enter username and password to verify his identity. This is authentication. If correct username and password are entered, the user is authorized or allowed to check his email, send email, or perform other tasks related with email service. This is authorization. Thank you very much. We have completed section B.